How to fix clock watchdog timeout blue error on Windows. 1. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Update your BIOS. 3. Disable C1-6 in BIOS. FYI, these modes or C states start at C0, which is the normal CPU operating mode. The CPU is 100% activated. The higher the C number is, the deeper into sleep mode the CPU goes. In other words, more circuits and signals are turned off, and the CPU takes more time to fully wake up into C0 mode. 4. Run your Windows in its clean boot, then remove problematic applications and /or updates using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 5. Reset BIOS. 6. Remove, undo, the overclocking settings. 7. Update your SSD firmware and disable line partition mobility or LPM. Follow this path. Computer configuration-administrative templates-Windows components-Windows Mobility Center and local group policy editor, Adine.msc. 8. Disable C1E and Intel Speed Step in BIOS. 9. Manually set the speed of your RAM and turn off Asus Turbo feature in BIOS. 10. Unplug your DVD drive during Windows installation. 11. Clean your computer case and check for faulty hardware, from RAM to hard drive. 12. Install the latest Windows updates.